Alright, welcome back, guys. We're working on Mr. Joe Rainis' fire alarm mailbox. As you can see, I got a lot of that going. Sorry about that, a little interruption there. But yes, we got a lot of the. I didn't show it doing all this. I need total concentration when I do something. These are very small lettering. As well as got that going. Got a little more to do up at the top here underneath the handle, which is going to be a little tricky, but I got it. Excuse my voice, I have a little of a hoarse voice going on, but I wanted to get this all reassembled in the back here. So I went through and I polished all the screw heads and all that will be holding all this together. Trying to remember here. I got my tablet here. Show me what I did, how I took it off. Apparently I can't find the picture for it. I'm still working with the broken thumb here, being a pain in the butt. So I might look a little funny trying to screw all this down. I don't want to over tighten this. There we go. Okay. Another interruption, sorry. All the kids. Alright. So I know this spring goes up here. Attached with the little screw. Oops. Might be a little tricky, this one. Maybe I should have done that first time. Looks like it kinda, I might be able to do it after. I'll give it a shot. I need the fatter screwdriver here. Nope. Oh, it's a little skinny. It's a little long, but I know this. There we go. That one fits. This thing's coming together very nicely. I had a little delay on this one, with the unexpected shoulder surgery. But we're getting back on track. There we go. Alright, so this one here goes across. Hold that down. There we go. So, Now we got that all set up. Working nice and smooth. And next, we'll move this off to the side. We have this little door here. I'll flip that over. There's a little package here. We have a piece of glass, a bubble glass. I don't know where he found that at, but it's pretty nice. Make sure it's clean. Yeah. All right. Now in here is where we got the circle and two tiny, tiny, tiny screws here. Very, very tiny. And we're gonna have to center there. Okay. Then we also have a little set screw that sets this in place once we send this all the way through onto the door. And that goes in the bottom of the door. Yes, now I remember. So I'm gonna polish these up real quick. I'll meet you guys right back. Okay, so I switched sides on y'all. So these little ends, since these holes they go all the way through, I'm gonna just kind of put a little white paint on them at the very ends of these little screws. The way they don't show or pop out of place. We're also gonna do that to this little set screw, even though it gets sunken in. We're just gonna hit that up a little bit. Okay. I gotta stop doing that. Okay. So this thing's where things get a little on the tricky side. Let's see if this is good height. Set that piece of glass in and the holder here. All right, looks good. Then we're going to take our little tiny screw here, which is the challenging part. Okay. And get that in there. So this is just a little restoration project Joe wanted done. I was more than happy to help him out. And with the mailbox being sitting outside, powder coating is a great option to go. I don't see our little white dots there, so I didn't want those to stand out as much, so that worked out great. And our little glass, it's like a magnifying glass. See if you see my watch. Ooh, yeah, really see everything much bigger. It's definitely quite the magnifying glass there. Wow. Okay, enough playing. Alright, so this is going to be the tricky part. And I'm going to get a little bit of oil. Alright, so the tricky part with this is we gotta get this all the way through, in between the spring, and through the other hole. And then that, you gotta slide this whole way on it, open this up just a tad. And then, once we send this through, we're gonna, this got a little screw on here, or off the head, and we're gonna give it some tension before putting in our set screw in. Which we'll put it in. Real quick. I'll put that in, and we're gonna hold this a little bit, and then out. Okay. little set screw here in the back. Voila. Perfect. Alright. And there we have it. Now there's one more thing we do have to add to this. I forgot. This little nameplate he wanted to put on here. Ta-da. So that's gonna go right on there. Well, if you remember, I had to drill these holes prior to all the things that we did. You got some stainless here, stainless screws. They do fit the hole, at least they did. Powder might be a little thick. It'll be alright. Can make room in there. That's that. Now we can put it back on the base. Okay, so as you can see, the base I did up here as well. It's not quite finished. I still got to do the hand, but I can do that with the door on, so that's not a big deal. Alright. I wanted to get all this on video and whatnot. So I went ahead and polished these heads of the screws as well, and I mean, that way it kind of gives it some contrast and matches all the rest of the stuff as well. On your dominant hand. So there it is. So not quite finished. A couple more things that I gotta do, but it did turn out pretty good. So let's back up, let y'all take a look at this. And I'll take a picture, I'll put that at the end of the video. So everything got powder coated, sandblast, powder coated, redone. Then I did all the white and the red lettering on there. We filled the top of the hole here, so it's nice and smooth. That way you won't get nothing in on the top. Added a custom plate to it, and I just need to put some white on the fist that's up there. But I'll show you at the end of the video with a picture, that way y'all can see that. Yeah, so here's the alarm. Got the handle. You push down. Sound the alarm. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then we added the glass in there. So, turned out pretty well. I do believe Joe will be more than happy to get this back up and using it for his mailbox. So, alright folks, y'all be good, be kind, be safe, and please spread love. I'll see y'all on the next one.